how to make a jula for Vinayagar Chathurthi. So you can use this jula for any festival or occasion like Krishna Jayanti as well. So you can also use it for playing with your dolls. So before we start, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet. Like, share and comment. Also press the bell icon so that you'll get a notification whenever I upload a video. So let's get started. So first, for this activity, we need a rectangular sheet of cardboard. You can take a square sheet if you like. Next step is that we have to take a rectangular piece of glitter paper. So I'm taking purple. You guys can take any color you like. So first step is that we have to apply some glue on the cardboard. So after we apply glue, we have to stick the glitter paper on top of the cardboard, like this. So we have to give it some time to dry. So after it's dry, we have to take a rectangular strip of paper. So the first step is that we have to roll this paper. So after we roll it, we have to open it again and we have to apply some glue on the one side of the paper, like this. So now we have to roll the paper again. So we have to roll it slowly. So after we roll this, we have to take a scissor. And the first step is that we just have to place this on top of the glitter sheet like this. So now we have to cut it to get the correct measure. So after we cut this, we have to cut one more piece like this in the same way using the first one. So now we have two sheets. So now we just have to apply some glue on the glitter paper on both the sides. So now applying glue on the opposite side as well. Next, we just have to stick the rolls that we did before. Like this. So after we stick this, we just have to give it some time to dry. So after it's done drying, I'm just taking a string. So you guys can take any rope or necklace as well. So I'm just going to get the string inside the hole. So next step is that we just have to take the string from the top. I'm just going to tie a knot. So after I tie a knot, I'm just going to stick on it in the bottom more tightly so that it gets stick well. So after we do this, we have to repeat the same step on the opposite side of this jula as well. So now we just have to tie it on the top. So now we have to press on it again. So now we just have to turn it and we can keep any cord in the middle. So now our paper jula is ready. So this is a very easy way of making a jula and it is useful too. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you guys next time on Crafty Kids. Bye!